How to recover deleted contacts on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open settings on your iPhone and then tap on the Apple ID on top of your screen. Further, tap on the iCloud option you see there, and if you see the contacts option there, tap on it. If not, then tap on the see all option and then navigate to contacts. Here, go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for contacts and then choose keep on my iPhone option and then go ahead and restart your iPhone. Now, open settings again and then tap on your name and then go ahead and enable contacts again and then select the merge option you see there. This process often brings back contacts instantly. If not, then you can go ahead and open your preferred browser and then tap on Safari and then go ahead and tap on the search bar there and search for iCloud.com. Further, sign yourself in with your Apple ID and then tap on the contacts option you see there and check if the deleted contacts are there. If not, then you can tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then tap on account settings, and you might see the option for restore contacts if you've actually deleted the contact. So go ahead and choose a date before deletion and then tap on the restore option. This will not erase your current data, it will just restore your contacts. See if that helps, and if not, then go back and open settings on your device and then scroll down and tap on apps and then tap on contacts. Here, you will see the option for accounts. Tap on it and then select Gmail or Outlook option you see there and make sure the contact toggle button is toggled on. Now open contacts on your device and then tap on the lists option on the top left of your screen and make sure all contacts are enabled. And see if that helps in clearing your contacts, and if not, then sometimes the apps might have contacts separately, such as WhatsApp could have your contacts, or Telegram or SIM card or email apps could have your contacts. See if the contacts are recovered from there, and if not, then you can recover it from your iTunes or Finder too by connecting your iPhone to a Mac. So these were a few ways on how you can recover deleted contacts on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.